guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are going to be doing a Keto Jeera Mathri for you. Yes, it's a great snack to be had during your tea time and it's going to give you satiety. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So the ingredients are the same. First we're going to take 1 cup almond flour. So these are the almonds what I have just freshly grinded. They are with skin. Next I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. That's this. It really helps to bind the stuff well. Third, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of PSYLLIUM husk. Next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Jeera. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And lastly I'm going to add now 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Now I'm going to bind these ingredients really well using my hand. I'm going to see that there are no lumps formed into it. So try and keep your nails really short so that this does not get stuck into your nails, and try and bind it really well. So use your fingers and just mash it really well. There you go, wonderful. Now once they are pretty well done and they have been mixed really well, now I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. That's 1 and last one. There you go, that's it. And I'm going to make a nice dough out of it. See, these are simple ingredients, takes hardly some time, gonna keep you in your diet. You would not feel like cheating and eating something wrong. Just prepare and keep it in an airtight tiffin, guys. There you go. Now we're going to set this aside for the next 5 minutes so that the PSYLLIUM husk and the xanthan gum can work. We're going to keep it for the next 5 to 8 minutes to settle it down. So now our Jeera mixture is binded really well. Now we are going to make our small Mathri doughs out of it. I've taken very little oil in my hands so that it's well greased nicely and the Mathri does not stick to my hand. So the thinner the Mathri is, the crispier, the crunchier it is. And our Jeera Mathri is ready to go into the oven for next 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So here guys, our Keto Jeera Mathris are ready. They're extremely tasty, extremely crunchy, and yes, if you want to eat something out of your diet and you really don't want to cheat also, please try them and make them. They're fabulous to taste. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please subscribe the channel. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all the amazing videos we do. Thank you so much. See you next time.